If you're running Google local service ads or thinking about it, there's one small but very important number that you need to know: my customer ID or CID. My name is Aranza from Accelerate Marketing, and I'm going to show you where to find it and why it is important. The CID is a number that identifies your local service ads account. And if you've ever been asked, please share your CID, or I need access to your CID, and you have no idea what they're talking about, you came to the right place. The first step is to go to apps.google.com/local services. Once you're in there, make sure you're logged in with the email address that has access to this CID or to this LSA. You can do that by clicking on the profile picture and checking the email address right here. After that, all you gotta do is click on main menu, scroll all the way to the bottom, and you will find your customer ID. It is quite easy. Now that you know where to find it, I'm going to tell you why it is important that you know how to do that. Number one, if you ever call Google, they're going to ask you for your CID, whether it is to check on a license, your ad schedule, or help you with anything that you're working through. The reps are going to ask you for this CID. And number two, if you're ever working with an agency, we're going to ask you for the CID to be able to access it through our MCC, which is My Client Center. That's a big account that all agencies use to get access to individual LSAs. So whether you're DIYing it or working with an agency, this number is your golden ticket to get the help and support that you need to get the best results with LSA. Text us directly at 619-304-5155. We'll help you find your CID, get connected, and get the best results from local service ads. My name is Aranza, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.